What's up, guys? Beastking here from Technos with another unboxing. Today we have the Philips Hue white in color ambience bulb starter kit. So this is the Philips Hue bulbs that everyone knows about. They change colors. There's 16 million different colors to choose from. You can have warm light, cool light, whatever you prefer, like the old halogen kind of stuff or the new LED stuff. So you can control this with your app on your phone from anywhere. Here you can see you can have different feels for like parties, reading, family get-togethers, stuff like that outside. So you can smart control away from home with your phone. You can set timing, create your ambiance or whatever with warm white or cool daylight. Creative with 16 million colors, light up your gaming, all this stuff, whatever. Here's what comes in the box. You get 4 light bulbs and a bridge. So they're 10 watts each, 800 lumens, and they're LED. So it says it'll last for 25,000 hours or something like that, and that's it. So I got the knife today. So it's around $170 to $200 at Amazon or Best Buy or Target, wherever you want to get it from. So there's some instructions. Inside we have the starter kit or whatever, bridge. So I guess this connects all the light bulbs to your app. You have your quick start guide and the light bulbs. Now, these are really heavy. So here's the light bulb. This is where it holds all the internals like the Wi-Fi and stuff to get the signals. The top is actually glass, which is premium. You have your metal bottom. And the rest of the stuff in the box is just wires. And here you would connect the wire to it, plus the cable for the Ethernet. So, okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm going to come out with another video on how these work and show you some colors of them. So that's pretty much it. It's just an unboxing to show you what's in the box. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and watch my other videos. Peace out.